Today is March 11th, about 6:27 in the morning. It has been a little while since I have come on and showed my portfolio, etc. And I thought now would be a good time to do that, especially given the state of the market. So, as we can see, looking at this chart of QQQ, which I typically use to gauge how the market is doing, we can see that we have had some deep cuts in the price recently. We have cut below my gauges, the 20-day exponential moving average, which is this green line, the 50, which is this red line, and also the 200. And I would say that we are definitely in a downtrend. How has that impacted my performance? So if I flip back over here, you'll see that looking at a year view, you'll see that I am a little bit higher, over a year than the NASDAQ 100, which the QQQ represents, but slightly below the S&P 500. Year to date, you can see that I started the year above, but with the cuts based on Model 1 and how Model 1 works, I did go deeper than the S&P 500, but still slightly above the NASDAQ 100. Okay, so looking at the positions, you'll see that, all right, well, we know that Bitcoin has been falling a little bit, so that has contributed some. But you can see that right now I have about 23% in TQQQ. Right. My goal is to remain somewhere between 30 and 35%. I may take a little bit of cash out of here just to buy one position. And the big reason for why I'm making this video is to demonstrate exactly when would I want to buy. So looking at this chart again, lots of people talk about buying the dip. There's no way that I'm going to be buying anything anytime soon, especially given what is going on. As I mentioned before, my gauge is this 20-day exponential moving average. So I would want to buy when the price crosses above this 20-day moving average. So if I change this to TQQQ right now, just so that we can compare apples and oranges. See, right now the price is around 60, but this 20-day exponential moving average is around 75. So I'm going to be patient and I'm going to wait. If we go back in history, you'll see exactly what I mean. So you see here back in August 2024, it kind of cut through this 200-day moving line, exponential moving average as well. I didn't buy here, and I wouldn't buy here, but as soon as it cuts through this green line, the 20-day exponential moving average, then I would look to reposition at a 30%. So as I mentioned before, right now I'm at 23%. I would make this 30% of my portfolio, but I need to be patient. Okay, we're not sure what's going to happen. This could go further. This is a very steep drop. We just don't know, and we purchase from a position of strength. So I am waiting for it to cross above this 20-day exponential moving average. Okay, so just thought that I would stop in just to say what I will be doing next. Hope everyone is doing okay. Until next time.